an elder in the state have to plead with the younger ones, all of those who are interested, to please allow peace to reign. We don't want to go into unnecessary crisis in the state. Results have been declared, and we believe the elections were well conducted, and we believe the governor won the election. And we plead that people should accept it and work with the governor. Let all of us support him so that the state will move ahead. There should be nothing that will push the state backward. We should think about the development of the state, starting from the issue of peace and security in the state, which within this last period, 3 years plus almost 4 years, there's significant improvement. So people should calm down and allow Diri to focus on God so that he will be able to propel this state forward so that we will benefit as citizens of the state. For Your Excellency, winning election, you celebrate, but it's a burden. You also have to do your best to make sure that you extend the hands of fellowship to all those who contested with you. Contesting for election does not make people enemies. It's a game. It's a game of. In fact, election would have been a very beautiful thing because it's about contestation of ideas, and people will listen to you and see who we are and vote for you, and it favors you. So it's their duty. People may be still grumbling. It's their duty to pull them to you and say, let's move on. Let's run the state together. And I know you will do that because you have done it before.
We are happy that you are here, and we hope and pray that you will continue to support us the way you have supported us in our first tenure. We are so few that the few of you that we have as our leaders, we must tap from your knowledge, your wisdom, so that our state will continue to grow. Our state will continue to be in peace and in unity. That I will formally present the certificate of returns to you as I was issued by INEC this morning. Sincerely, you are the first person we are presenting this certificate to, and rightly so, because of who you are. Thank you, Excellency.